Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your device and prevent any static damage to the components inside. Start by powering off your Lenovo Yoga 7 and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place to avoid losing any. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious as you do this. You want to avoid damaging any clips that may be holding the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular shape and connected to the motherboard with a cable. Before proceeding, it's wise to take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. This is often done by gently pulling on the connector, but be careful not to tug on the wires themselves. Once the cable is disconnected, you can remove the screws securing the battery in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. After removing the screws, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. If you find it difficult to remove, check for any additional screws or clips that may be holding it in place. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Once the battery is in place, reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly attached. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to test the new battery. Power on your Lenovo Yoga 7 and check if it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to replace the back panel. Align the back panel with the laptop and press down gently until it clicks into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely, but not overly tight, as this could damage the casing. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device serviced without any hassle. Our professional diagnosis is without obligation, and we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. Finally, power on your laptop one last time to ensure everything is working as it should. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo Yoga 7. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.